Tell me this, Jen, what keeps you going? What keeps Jen going? A lot of people, when they start doing YouTube, they give up too early, or even after reaching a certain milestone, some people still give up for different reasons. But people that are really successful with millions and millions of subscribers are people that never gave up, just kept going. So what keeps you going?
Well, one of the things I see like way too often with YouTubers is that they go in with the wrong intentions, and second of all, they're just doing it so much, they're not doing what they enjoy, and they get burnt out. And what I found as a YouTuber is I really need to stick with what I like doing, and I don't want to push myself so much that I'm just going to burn out and lose all my passion for making videos. I want to space it out, structure it. Maybe if my schedule is once a week, I stick to that. And I'm not going to just post videos that I think people want to see. I'm posting videos that I'm genuinely interested in. And when I'm doing that, I am actually like passionate about doing it. And I know that I'll keep going with it. And it's not just about, oh, I'm going to stop when I hit 10,000. I like doing this, so I'm going to keep on going.